camera. The idea of this is it's a security camera application, and there's two modes. There's timeline of activity, which shows all the past images of people who have been captured or using machine learning detected, and you can save them. There's a time. The reason why these are better is that something's happened in the past hour or so that has caused the red to be the only colour shown. It might be because it's late at night and it's fluorescent lighting, or it might just be wires blown. Okay, so there's live mode. It's not live right now. I haven't turned on the Python, but we can test out the motion detector. If I put my hand in front of it, yeah, you can see an image. If I take my hand away, no image detected. Let's turn on the light. Okay, let's turn on the Python and just run it. Okay, so now it should, if I can, yeah, okay, that's better. And so it's showing a picture of my face. What you will notice is that if I go onto timeline of activities, it should, if I get an image that's good, it should update in here as well. Yeah, see, there's a picture of me, not very good. The lighting's awful. It's late at night, don't blame this. Okay, also, since we're getting images of me, it should send an email alert. Am I doxing myself? Yes. You can see 10:25, and the time is 10:26.